we did what they did. You see how I cut and paste the values in the text box?
Okay, fine. Just send to me the example site. I
I
need to
just gave you.
brainstorm.
I just shown you example where we cut and paste from this here, and then we went to the other site, which would be my site, and we cut and paste, and then it would load cart. You follow me?
Okay. Yeah, obviously. So I need the example site I, that I told you. Just send to me.
Well, that would this would be the example site, or this would
Yeah,
be.
I obviously need your example site. I need to brainstorm myself. Then I can understand what you want actually. Okay. I have already understand what you need. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, I can send you this because really I'm just looking
Send me the
for the.
example credential. Examples like credentials like user and pass. Then I have to log in. Then check out all the thing, all the feature.
Well, basically, all I really need is basically the
Hey
text
Tom,
box.
I have already understand your basic need. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just send to me the uh, example
You
site.
wouldn't
Then
need the other sites because it should work
ah,
on anything. If I went out and put SKU 1, 2, 3, 4 space 2, it would understand I need 2 of that item. You follow
okay,
me?
yeah. So send me the distributor site. I
You're
want
not
the
going to need the
distributor site.
distributor site because
Yes.
we're not doing anything with that. You won't need that. Do you follow me?
Yeah, sure.
Because all you're doing is making an input box for ordering, and that recognizes each line, each row as a SKU and a quantity, and that's it. True.
That means
So
your
it don't
basic
matter the
need.
distributor site. So there's other
Okay,
sites
okay,
that do
fine,
the
fine,
same
fine,
thing.
fine. That means your basic need just only just you have to add with your order tracking number, right?
No, because when you go to my site and let's say for ordering, just upload an order on the
Okay,
website. Do you follow me? And put it in the pre-cart. Do you follow me?
okay, fine. Yeah, sure.
So, if someone like to go in there and upload it, I could. You follow me? I could upload one feature, but the other feature would have to be a cut and paste. Does that make
Hey
sense?
Tom, yeah, if that makes sense. Just I need your distributor side link. Please send to me. Then I need to check again actually. Okay.
On the link, but that's
Yeah, the
password
distributor
protected.
link.
You mean this
This
link?
is
So that,
this is not your side actually. I need
no, this ain't
please
my
share your
site.
screen. Please share your screen. And I told you. Hello.
Yeah. See, this is
Please
where.
share your screen. Yeah, I
Okay,
need the
so
link actually. Portal.soda.com. I need the distributor site. Then I need your credentials actually. Then I need to brainstorming myself what the process, what the functionality. Then I can show the exact same. Okay?
okay, so then I'd have to give you.
Yeah, right. Just for the idea.
Oh, okay,
Copy the link. Copy the link. Then send me the user and pass also. Right. send to me.
Yeah.
You you also can send to the Fiverr.
Okay. Can you log in there?
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's close the discussion session.
So
Actually,
that can you log in with that password?
yeah, I have already got all the thing actually what I need. Okay, so don't worry about it.
And then it says order man, you input, upload, and then at
I
the
will.
end, once it's uploaded, then it just says add to cart, and then it adds to the WooCommerce cart. So then it would have to tie in to the WooCommerce shopping cart.
Okay, it can be possible. No worries. Just allow me 1 or 2 hours. Okay, I need to brainstorming myself. Then I will be inform you.
Does
Okay.
that make sense? What I'm asking for?
Yeah, that makes sense. I have already understanding the your basic sense, basic requirement. Okay, so
Okay.
allow me 1 or 2 hours. I need to brainstorming. I
Okay.
repeatedly say it. Okay, bye bye.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay.